Got it here, a dodge edge spoon. This thing is so cool. Pull this out, you have right here can opener. This wrench I don't like, bottle opener. I will never use this wrench, but it's there. Really nice metal fork. And also if you're eating a steak, you have a very nice, pretty sharp knife. So you could definitely eat a steak with that. And obviously folded frame lock. Boom, no way you can cut yourself, it's really smooth. You have a nice spoon, and the way it folds up is so genius. You put it through here and you just lock it down. Boom. Here's a knife with a secret. If you try to flip it open, that's what it's called, flipper, it will not open. You have to flip this and then flip it. Boom. How cool is that? Back USA, and there is a name of it, Boss, or it's a designer. So beautiful little knife. And if you want to fold it back up, you fold this and it feels like it's a little bit assisted. So built-in safety on a flipper. Pull this, opens so well. Love that knife. And then locks in. So this whole thing is a safety. Night Seeker 2, 21 lumens. That's funny. So tiny little flashlight, and it goes onto your cap. That's cool. So you clip it onto your cap and then it's adjust up and down. So that's why you don't even need to have a head lamp. Boom. I like that light a lot. And that brand is really nice too. Titanium flint lighter. This thing is pretty cool. So there's a little clip that you can put it on your keychain, and then a striker right here. Look how much spark it gives away. So we'll get a tissue and get the fire going. If you want to replace the flint, take this off, put new flint on. Little tissue, just keep going till you get the fire going, and guess what? This tissue is on fire. That easy with couple strikes. CVV pen, there's another really unique pen I never seen before. Check this out. Oh yeah. Remember fidget spinners? Way better now. So you got right here titanium ball action pen. I guess you could go this way or this way, depends which way you want to go, or like retract it. That's cool. But what's so unique about it is this right here, window breaker, and it's a little spinner, little fidgeter, I guess. So definitely never seen a pen like that. Let's see what else I have. And then there's another one by V Knives. I think it's the same brand, different divisions. Okay, let's see what this one is about. This one is all black. Wow, that is cool. That's definitely better. Ooh, the spinner inside of it. You see the logo is spinning there. And also, I like this one better because it's easier to retract it. But spinner is also much better. As you can see, there's a little logo spinning inside of it, and the top spinning too. And there's a little ball. That is cool. Definitely a cool pen, fidgety, very comfortable, and it's also self-defense because it's pretty sure titanium. Got right here a retractable phone charger. Check this out. Flat wire, braided, high quality. I like these flat wires. To retract it, all you have to do, just push it and it will fold back in. That is cool. I never seen a charger like that before. And you see how it's nice and neat. And you can even retract it a little bit, not too much. A little bit more. It has like these little steps, and then all the way, and it will fold it back up. Here's a funky everyday carry knife. There's a little unboxer, and as you can see, the handle is much longer. What you do is just pull this out, and you have a little striker, and on top of it, if you grab this and pull this out, you have, I guess, a little like candle in it here. Isn't that cool? You can put a different little fire striker in there, and then it locks in like that. And once you're done with it, frame lock, boom. Definitely unique little knife, don't you guys think? You know, those zippers don't hold up their lighter fluid for very long. It has pretty good vibration issue, so that's why the zipper has one of these little canister. Wow, that's cool. Another one, and I guess it's on spin right here as well. So this right here, a little fill canister. So you fill this up with a lighter fluid. There is a little rubber stopper. Then there is a little cover, another one with another rubber stopper. And then a keychain holder. So the evaporation will be to the minimum. You know, guys, it's barely pouring. There you go. So you kind of have to shake it for it to pour. Okay, let's see if it's going to light up. Oh yeah, that was enough for it to light up. So if your lighter goes out from a lighter fluid, from evaporation, from not using it for too long, you always have a little bit of fill in here, and that way you don't have to worry about it, that your lighter is totally gone. Look at that. That fast we used it all up. That's cool. This tool was sent to me in a fan mail, modern fill. This is like $150 pen. Look, it comes with a bunch of replacements. You know what, recently I had no idea anything about pens, but now I do. This is beautiful. It's all about the material and the designer. It's kind of cool how there is I guess a little clicker, fidgeter, but it's a bolt action pen. Very nice, pretty hefty, fun to hold. Comes with a bunch of attachments. That's a really cool gift. So, and then there's another modern fill. Again, another very good gift, especially people in the office. There's a bunch of attachments. Comes with a little clip and all these tools, and a little, this is fun, high-end pencil right here. Especially if you're an architect, you probably will appreciate a very expensive pen. And I guess this is the rubber to get rid of pencil. Very cool. Credit card size, full metal fork and a knife. So you pull this out, and I guess there's a lock. Oh my gosh, look at that. Cute little knife. It's sharp too. And this right here is a fork. Boom. You could actually cut steak with that. That is so cute. Look at this fork. And once you're done with this, just push through. It will lock. Just line it up, slide it in. Yeah, the weird stuff that I have been collecting over the years. I've been just going through my stuff, found this one. Boom, locks into here as well. Weird credit card size, all high quality metal fork and a knife. I like that one a lot. Here's another fixed blade outdoor edge, and what's unique about that, there's a button. Why do you need a button for fixed blade? Well, because you got right here a different tool. This is like a hunting knife, and then press it, it flips over. That thing is one of a kind, and look how thick that blade is. Outdoor edge, AUS stainless steel. I love that. Very comfortable knife, and there's a button. Boom. This way, not the most comfortable way to hold it, but it's not bad. Look at that. Pretty cool. I guess you would hold it this way. Here's another very unique multi-tool. It's kind of cheap. Would be cool if they actually made it something, a nice brand or something, but materials are okay. So you flip this open, put it over, and then you have legit bottle opener and wrenches. That's a little bit more usable with the measurements. And then whenever you need a knife, you just yeah, it locks in pretty good right here. You just open it, flip it over right here, and you have a knife. That is unique, don't you guys think? Pretty thick too. So yeah, boom.